Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the health community, the connection between acidity, cancer, and the power of an alkaline diet. Let's get right into it. First off, did you know that there's been a sharp rise in cancer diagnoses among young people aged 15 to 39? Yep, a staggering 40% increase. Barbara O'Neill, an Australian health teacher, points out a crucial link between body acidity and cancer risk. She suggests that an acidic environment can promote cancer cell growth. But here's the kicker: maintaining a slightly alkaline body environment can help protect against it. O'Neill emphasizes that cancer cells thrive in acidic, low-oxygen environments, often fueled by sugar. She advocates for a diet that promotes alkalinity and oxygenation while minimizing sugar intake. Now, this isn't a magic cure, but it's a proactive approach to support your body's natural defenses against disease. So, how do you balance your pH with food? Maintaining a blood pH between 7.35 and 7.45 is crucial. This balance supports strong immune function and protects against diseases, including cancer. Consuming alkaline-forming foods while moderating acidic ones can help maintain this balance. Lemons, despite their acidic taste, have an alkalizing effect after digestion. They're rich in minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help neutralize acidity. Other alkalizing foods include leafy green vegetables, olive oil, and certain legumes. Now let's get practical. Choosing the right foods for an alkaline diet is easier than you think. Leafy greens like kale, parsley, and spinach are fantastic additions. Olive oil, especially when cooked with tomatoes, releases lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Legumes like lima beans, lentils, and chickpeas are also great due to their mineral content and fiber. Grains like millet, amaranth, and quinoa are good choices. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, Brazil nuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are alkalizing and nutrient-dense. While fruits are healthy, they should be consumed in moderation due to their sugar content. Remember, an alkaline diet isn't about strict restrictions, but making mindful food choices that support a healthy pH balance. So load up on those greens, enjoy your healthy fats, and choose plant-based proteins. Your body will thank you. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.